Hi, my name is John Bateman. I practice DUI defense in Greenville, South Carolina at the Bateman Law firm. So one of my biggest fears when it comes to my website and my internet marketing is how essential it is really in the practice of law, especially in the area of criminal law or DUI defense. It seems like Google's constantly changing its algorithms, so websites are going up or going down, and so many people, the way they choose an attorney is through Google. So that can keep you up at night wondering what Google's going to do to change next. However, working with Accelerate Now has really taken a lot of anxiety off of my plate because I've seen them be very fluid and responsive when it comes to the changes Google makes in its algorithms to make sure that we stay at the top of the search options so that way clients can find us, and that's one less thing I have to worry about, and I know they do a great job with it. My biggest challenges prior to working with Accelerate Now were finding internet marketing professionals who were responsive and stayed that way. I've had a number of internet marketing companies that I've worked with, and at the beginning, everything's beautiful. They do good work, but when I'm no longer a new client, I fall down their priority list. That has not been my experience at all with Accelerate Now. They're very willing to pick up the phone and talk if I've got concerns, which I rarely do. They're super responsive, and that's just not something that I've found with other companies, and the results have been fantastic as well. What I like best about my Accelerate Now marketing program is the results. The phones are ringing, people are finding us, people are retaining us. I can't impress somebody with what I do until they retain us. And that's a big part of what Accelerate Now helps us out with. So when I transitioned from my old internet marketing company to Accelerate Now, I was pretty anxious about it because it's not just a website. There's the social media accounts, there's the Google Ads accounts, and a number of the phone system has to link in there somehow. So there's a lot of little moving parts that need to be changed over. And if one of those doesn't go well, it could be a big deal. So I was nervous from that standpoint. I didn't need to be. The transition process was so much easier than I thought it would be, and we started seeing results from the transition a lot sooner than I thought we would. If somebody was on the fence about transitioning to Accelerate Now, I recommend them, but I would say, hey, who are you working with? And they'd be happy to provide you references. Call some of them. A lot of my colleagues are at the top of their market, and they're some of the best when it comes to DUI defense attorneys, and they're with Accelerate Now. So I would ask for references and follow up on those references, and you'll probably hear a lot of experiences that are like mine has been.